Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. We take a look at the ADA chart first of all on the daily time frame, and then we are going to take a look at the smaller short-term chart. Here on the daily chart, the price is still holding above the February low. That's key, so that keeps the overall upside pathway alive. However, this is not high confidence given that the structure is less than ideal. Extremely choppy. We only see 3 wave movements to the upside there. And this is all corrective, okay? So the only way how the price could really move higher is in a diagonal structure. It would not surprise me if we test this lower support area. It is what it is at the moment. We don't have any impulsive price action to the upside, unfortunately, yeah? And also on the Bitcoin chart, we could easily get another low, which is what you know if you watched previous videos about Bitcoin. So that means we just still have to be very much aware that the price could easily break down. But it's important to understand on the micro level, the relevant levels. I can tell you that I haven't got any confirmation yet that the overall low is in. It's just a thesis at the moment. It's a potential, but the structure from the lows isn't in 5 waves. So we don't see any 5-wave movements at the moment on the local level from one of these lows, which means be on the side of caution. It's not an easy environment to trade, track, or predict markets. Yeah, lots of uncertainty in there. But the main element, and that is for me, the stable element on this chart, the main support element is located here between 29 cents and 36 cents. That's the main support zone that needs to be watched, observed, and everything up here is quite fragile. Okay, that's important to understand. ADA is far away from that stable support area. Why is it stable? Well, it's just the main support area, you could say, for a bullish cycle, because from you could say the end of the bear market in 2023, the price rallied, pulled back, and held over several months this key support area, and it's usually the 78.6 retracement, in this case at 29 cents, which acts as important support, and this held. But the price has not been able to move away from it impulsively. Yes, we see green candles, but they are not really impulsive. This is overall still a 3-wave move up. So we're dealing with corrective price action from the recent lows as well. So everything up there is really, really fragile. That's very important to understand. What are the trigger levels to indicate we might visit the yellow support area again? Well, see, we've got 58.3 cents. And we've got 51.1 cents as next support levels. Anything below that could send us back into that yellow support region, again, which is between 29 cents and 36 cents. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame for ADA. Here, not really any change. Okay, so the price is, however, there's a small adjustment on the micro level, but the levels haven't changed. Here, on the ADA short-term chart, you can see that the price from that potential 4th wave low, which is a corrective pullback, that formed early in February, rallied, but only in 3 waves only. That's not clearly directly bullish. This is pretty much just a sideways range, and all of this is just corrective. So we have, for example, a wave 1 to the upside and a wave 2 down, yeah, but that wave 1 was only in 3 waves, which means the 3rd wave would also have to be in 3 waves. Right, so it would be an A, B, C structure, for example. Just need to shift this into place, but that's essentially what it would be. It would have to be, okay, but I'm tracking from the lows a potential 5-wave move up. So wave 1, wave 2, that could be wave 1, wave 2 off wave C. Then we would need to get a 3rd wave, a 4th wave, and a 5th wave. This is essentially how the bullish pathway should continue. The price has a chance to do it that way, but there's a first failure. So the price already dipped into the support region here on micro support, yeah, between 67 cents and 70 cents. The price tested it already here on Thursday, then tried to rally but failed. So we're back in support. So the breakout attempt failed, which is not a problem. This is okay, but a wider wave 2 correction is often the first step to failure. So observing the support area at the moment, 67 cents. Any break below it shifts the focus to these previous support levels, smaller degree support, around 59 cents, 58, the previous swing low, and then 56 cents. But if we break below the February low, it will likely send us to that yellow support region I showed you. or at least it will become main support then. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.